Yeah. See me, ah? This are just nasty thinking, Jed, yeah. Purple passion, thank you, mama. Me not going on the DM. What am I doing on the DM? Rosalie a DM me, but she a look me. Me not know. You know, not so them walk and call up game for cloud. What them are lice a neighbor. And them and chink related. And frozen is accustomed to them body. And Brockness now leave them alone. And loneliness are the master. Cody, what's up, my baby? Loneliness are the master. What me a gonna know them go do? All of the people them who come here come give me. Ask them. Me never fool, me not share my life to people. Sometimes when my life share some wicked blood clot thinking girl. We call it stinking from if you come watch out my business. Me not share my life to people. If you come on, all me can say I beg you. Purple can make one look a puss, auntie. Me auntie from West Street, make one look a puss. Please. Me auntie from down at West Street, bottom. With the you used to go all the way to yeah. Me used to fuck the principal. My auntie from down at West Street, purple passion. You can't be one look a puss, me auntie, please. I beg one look a puss, me auntie, what is that? The people them we are send the requests. The people them will come up on the program. Come. Yeah, there's so long enough for you want me block you. The girl with name Diamond. Diamond Berry. Relax now. Relax. Finish the story on I have homework. I have finished the story on I have homework. How with the blood clot? This must have me now look no man. And the man a text said pa me I say me a text him in I'm DM. Me now look no man. Me now text this, me now going to gift us DM. So what the fuck? Me a going to this man DM and this man is a waste man. That me a talk about. Me not going to gift us them, so what the fuck me a doing a theme one? Me not look no man. Not on a lie pa me a do don't know. On the frowns and rockless. Me gonna son tops. That me a talk, but me not look no man. Then me could have look man I want frowns to rub up. The dirty stinking Joe, the brighty. Before me fuck some on a dirty blood clot, man. Me fuck a gifter. Make me draw pussy tongue like Bing and she draw my own. Me no want some on a dirty man, so nobody feel like say me a coming on a DM. You understand? But for I wanna come here so all the while and feel like I say this is a pram push thing. Me no want. You think me's a nice person for you play with? I don't black that page. Moderate, no matter not there for black that. Me no do careless activity, no love. I have just say I beg me, I beg. So come off from my program. Me no do catch up in a box and ask, say, yeah. Where your blood clot say. One no come on to get the black. Gonna send request, yeah?
Hi, what's up, sweetheart?
Yeah.
What's up, baby?
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
Oh, turn on the camera.
What? Where you want?
No, are you my one, baby?
Moderator black that page. Bye-bye, sir.
Why, you know, why you black me?
Moderator bin.
No, why?
Moderator bin.
No,
babe, don't do me that.
Moderator bin.
Babes, don't do me that.
Moderator bin. Mackerel beg something, mackerel. Mackerel beg something. Beg one more of them, the hot girl. Cute, cute, cute. I want to match. Want to support you, you know. I want to match hot girl. Someone now get some black, you see. You take my program like me look at me a mascot, yeah, so. I me look at this as a pot and play. I also look like an amusement park. Me love my mother to them. And that's why me give them, and that's why me give them the key to Elgate. What me say moderator been? Me have more, me say me have 20 moderator over here. More recruit 3 more. Cause I know everyone that got on at the same time. Moderator been. No send me no request. Me I beg. Over Shibada when I beg live, go send request. Me I beg, yes, so. Moderator, block the girl. Anybody I talk about, add me, block them. Me I beg, yes, so. I beg, yes, so. Me not coming on a chorus service. Sunday man, that church, but go throw me offering. So Father God, forgive me sinful ways. Me have to throw me offering and me have to throw me tithes. Me beg, I want me go to church, me throw me offering and me throw me tithes. Me no want to no come here, so. I take some of the gal and throw them in the bin. Me no want it, yes, so. I want to no come here, so come take the set for me. Remember me a scavenger already. Our Chantel, she want. Come Chantel, we hear your depressing story. Somebody can beg on something, please. Somebody beg on one wheel and one life goal. Right in so long, go me girl. Yes, Chantel.
Rosealee. Big Mac Rosealee.
Moderator Bean.
Rosealee.
Moderator Bean. Thank you. Come Sarah, can you come for the black? Moderator, when I'm come on and then not something constructive, for me shut up my mouth no for do. Yes, miss.
Well, I got a friend.
Yes, miss.
Can't go and do you remember me?
Yes, miss.
Say can't go and do. Nobody black me, no, come here, come from far downtown, so nobody black me.
Yes, miss.
Nobody me have a good dog Emmanuel. But you try to face the boy, yes, miss. You remember me? Try remember me.
Moderator.
Rosealee.
Emmanuel Road, me go down, miss. When you call you come here, so I say, me remember you. I don't know your DP or what. When you come here, I said to me.
We just hear you, nothing more.
All right, goodbye. Before me, moderator take care for the program. Bye-bye.
All right, good as.
Bye-bye. Take her down, moderator, not black her yet. Come down, miss, because someone want to really something wrong with you know. But me will find out today. All right, we have 3 more requests to throw in our garbage bin. No, come talk me these when me get to liberty, so my own. But me I look for my medication and can't find it.
Hello?
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 Me never did that ear.
Yes, miss.
Y'all hear me? Me not hear.
Yes, miss.
Me just that one if me can follow and go live with you, that's all.
Huh?
Follow you and then go live with you. That's all.
Huh?
Why you have to do your face like that?
Will you come to say to me, miss?
Alright, bye-bye. You not hear me. You not hear me. Them not hear.
Bye-bye.
What is... Me not hear. Me not hear properly.
Not here neither. Bye-bye, miss. Later.
Alright, then I gotta disconnect.
Yeah, later.
Rosalie,
Hmm?
I just had to say, big up yourself. No follow when nobody I say.
Yeah, me
No, me
girl.
then make you name up yourself.
Yeah, me
You're a
baby.
nice girl. You are loved by God.
Yes, me baby.
Do not allow anybody at all to make you want call yourself. Like when me not too long here, you call yourself say you something me not remember. Speak these positive things in your life every day, that you are wonderfully made by God. You are loved. You are enough. So now make them make you name up yourself. That's all me have to say.
Yes, my baby. Love you.
You are loved.
Yeah.
You can do your thing.
Yeah.
Hack me off or whatsoever. I don't know how to come
I'm
up.
a nice lady with nice thoughts and mother. I love me follow you to love you. I wish everybody will have your contour, cause I tell some of my people we're not clown in, a clown out. Alright, later, love you.
Yeah.
Me follower. We're not clown in, a clown out. The lady when the name preach. Thank you for the money gone. I so much request there, so. Me enter me star anti-force. Come no dot no fuck with me nerves, you know. Enter me star anti-force.
Rosealee.
Yes, auntie.
No, I love you, no.
Yeah, love you too.
Yeah. And as the person before me just said, positive vibes. When I met them, yo. Me just want to know when you go call Anna. Me want to know.
Me don't know when Anna come here. Me don't know she dey live. Probably if she come and she have the time, you know. Sometimes Anna come and she all over the place, but me don't know she dey live. She dey live. She will come here. Look, when I jump off me, I look if me see her.
Yeah, because you know when me come from work, you know my work stressful, and these are the things people like you. Yeah, you're miserable, but me miserable too. And sometimes I tell people, you know, if them not mess with you, you're not gonna do what you do. You get me? But it's times like these when me come home and de-stress, and you go on with your things. I'm laugh till my week, and this is what de-stress my brain. It no matter how bad you go on, me just cut out the bad word out of my ears. You understand?
Yeah.
But it helps me mentally. You understand?
So auntie you don't call me. You have to talk, you know?
What for talk? You have my number. Why your
Yeah,
phone can't
call
ring
you,
out?
man. Come
No.
Sunday.
Your phone can't ring out. You know, say anytime you call me, I will answer. Your phone can't ring out.
I told you in a dark room. In a dark room a while. The signals are good. You know, me don't call like a man if you talk about something important.
Yeah, man. You know,
They
call
come
me
down for
anytime.
Sunday, you know.
Yeah. No, man, the glass
I come down for Sunday, I turn real Charles. Me don't talk auntie. Me
Yeah,
can't
man,
talk
you
to
need.
just so.
What me say?
Me don't want
Keep
them
it
wrong
up.
with it.
Me not care how miserable you is, but it makes me laugh. It makes me de-stress. Do your thing.
From California. Love you.
Yeah, right through.
Love your
Period.
aunties.
But the glass that drape me up, lad. No, me can't angle the glass, angle, triangle, and all these things. And it fits you, you know?
But me look at me can't see good out there like a good vision.
But you don't look
Somebody
like
else
you
what
see.
saying. Somebody make gonna something.
I guess I'm not
As if you want to come here, pop.
Probably if you take out the glass, see 2 days.
Thank you, but that's see something.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, guys send 2 gifts there.
I want that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, auntie.
So call me, my niece, and we will talk.
All right. Me call
I know the love is there. No matter what they say.
Come off alive, me have to tap me or call me in a joke. Serious.
Anytime, you know you can call me. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., it not matter. Right,
me
true.
call me in a joke, I have to access it.
I'm not
no worry.
Call me darling, and as me say, when me come from work, I want to laugh. I want to be stressed. So no matter how you do it, we are here for you.
Okay, me auntie, love you.
Yeah, cut me off. You know me not know them something here. You know me all.
All right, love you. Somebody can't take no look wheel. No more requests. Me I beg something. No more requests. No more requests. Me I beg something. Must about 5 requests there, so I'm put on my binoculars. Guys who want 4 wheel. Somebody can help me got number 9. There's somebody sent for them. For some reason, we don't really know why, but somebody can help me got number 9. But so much you want for got number 9.
But
that girl named Bianca. Yeah.
Pick up yourself, Rose.
What's up, crazy mama? How are you? Debs.
1 June in a Rose, me say. You would know you're following. You know your people, them love you. But pick up yourself, my girl.
All right, my nice, clean auntie.
We love you right in and right. Oh, pick up yourself.
Love you.
All right, more.
Yeah. Purple, my auntie from New York. Me beg you want eat street list. I look a post. But me not pressure you because you want good lady. Can't do that. But thank you. That's not the same for accept them wonder what they want.
Where's my know if I say?
They were the blood cutter send for where send request a big wall. I don't know what to say, I could have type it. Where send request a big wall. If you don't know what to say. You could have type it. You come here so with woman and me go on bad. All them brazen and torment so. Why this girl not gonna be in our shot or poke it properly? And powder it with one of these. Look how type at. Type what you want, type me can read. I mean somebody advocate for me.
Rose, Evelyn.
Evelyn.
I'm going alright.
Eh?
Alright.
Evelyn.
Say if you're alright.
Evelyn.
Good evening.
What you want?
Dinner already?
Big man, me no combo where you come out, you know, talk what you want fast. I have to take you down after this. And I saw you so work, you know, come on, turn on camera, ask me alright, Evelyn, me a beg. Me there work. What you want? Oh, you come to mash up my program.
No.
What you want? Big man on a chorus service to start church bell, excuse me. You come and turn on camera like, me go sling a few 3, 4, 5 with blood clot you. Like me I look smart if you fuck. How about you dirty man? Me, big one, what you want now?
Yeah, I don't know what to say, yeah.
Big one, come off my phone. Big one, come off from my blood clot phone. I have my number. Somebody know, I want to walk up in the box and say me, I have my phone number.
Girl, when they put me up in the box, I get nervous. I feel like I sit up with a
never take you down, thank you, chat. Big one, excuse me, I beg something. I beg some cheap live goal. Guys who want 13 of them, are cheap $10. Ah! Good pussy arm, Shan. The good girl, we are selling the things, them. Thank you. Big one call me. Big one I have to call you. I know your time now. Me say what the girl I want. Shana can be one more wheel. Shana no say no good. You go with about 16 gloves to me what day, yeah. Hello? 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 Purple. Hello? I that a turn black. Wait, hello?
Yeah.
Hello?